I assume so.
Yeah.
But I'm at number 6. So, it's a quiet part of the walk back up to the top from what we just saw. I wanted to just pull out a few highlights from their book. Glasses, not needed yet. Sun's supposed to come up. Today it's supposed to be 9 degrees Celsius. So, what we just looked at was the artillery searchlights, hidden relics of World War II. Hi. That's a good walk up the hill, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. It's almost not worth it.
Is it your first time going?
No, I visit here every once in a while.
I'm doing YouTube.
Oh.
And
I feel like I walked in your shot earlier, sorry.
No, it's okay. It adds to the show. This book my sister gave me.
Oh, nice.
111. It's a series of books from around the world, but these two guys did this for Vancouver.
I might have to look that up. People are always like, what's in Vancouver? I'm like, Gastown maybe?
Yeah, exactly. And there's so much to see. And so it's got 111 places, so I thought I'm going to retrace it on video. Yeah. So short clips, little bit of contact.
Did they say that the walk up was a must-see?
No.
So left that part out, hey?
Well, you see, the first one was Dunbar, 1700 block, because there's 10 homes there that were built in 1911. And they're still standing, and they went from being built for $3,000 to $5,000 to one just sold. One of the guys told me there, where I was just there, $7.5 million.
Oh, I don't have to buy a house in this market.
So that was the area. So that was number one.
These are 1911.
These were built, and they've been renovated and upkept, and the rest.
Are they heritage homes now?
I assume so.
Yeah.
But I'm at number 6, which is that.
Yeah.
So I asked people where that was, and then there was a guy down there that kind of shared some insight, and there was a boat that came in, and I got a bunch of a Chinese family and a thumbnail. Yeah. and now you're going to be in it.
Hello.
What's your name?
Rebecca.
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
And you went to school here, or are you still going?
I'm going to school right now.
In UBC?
Yeah.
And I told these lovely people that are watching that it's the top 35th school in the world.
I think so.
So you're going to a really good school.
Yeah, proximity.
What is Rebecca studying?
I'm studying chemical biology.
Woo! We got a smarty. Not only a beauty, but a smarty. And what do you want to do with that when you finish?
I want to work in pharmaceuticals.
Oh, please fix that mess.
Procedure scaling.
Please, somebody fix Big Pharma. Make it so it's good for people.
If I make it more cost efficient, hopefully.
Yeah, there's always that economic side, isn't there? But isn't it interesting that most of the good stuff was derived originally from plant life?
Yeah, so there's a lot of science, a lot of chemistry is natural products chemistry.
Yeah.
So in order to do what I want to do, I have to get a PhD.
Whoa!
Unfortunately, but what I want to do is total synthesis of natural products. So if you see any sort of not necessarily pigment, but something with medicinal value, how can we synthetically create that?
Oh, interesting. A few years ago, I met a guy. I had an office for a year in London, and we were flying from London to New York. And what's his name? Richard Serban. He was JD Farm D, sharing plow. Yeah. And then he left all that because he was married to the niece of the controversial now president of Brazil, Lulu. And maybe he won, maybe he didn't. But Richard left all that to work with cat's claw, Asahi, anti-aging properties from the Amazon forest. And they created a company, I don't know if it still exists, you can look it up, called Optogenics. And it was supposed to be a way of rolling back time using natural products that were put into a capsule.
Well, the thing is, how much can you really harvest from the environment without destroying it?
Right.
So in chemistry, we're like, can we make this for a lot cheaper so we don't have to go into the rainforest?
Yeah, you can, but like
it's not the same.
So many of my vegan friends, eating beyond meat and beyond products that may or may not contain all kinds of very harmful things. I'm all about helping people. Came from synthesis, using modern technology without causing harm, at least doing more good than harm. I'm good. But I really like natural stuff, and I feel better eating the green stuff and the rest. Yeah. So steak once in a great while, but a lot of fruit and vegetables and things like that. So I can keep walking up steps like this and meeting beautiful girls like Rebecca.
Thank you. I can have class in a few minutes.
Oh, Rebecca, I'm keeping you. You can use me as an excuse. But are you going to watch this YouTube?
What's your YouTube channel?
Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny.
It's YouTube and Rumble, which is a non-censor platform that I use too, but it's small. Just went public, the company.
All right,
but
Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny. I just did an art. Actually, I still have a couple more to do on that. Art conversations at the Eastside Atelier artist group, where they do a culture crawl coming up next weekend.
Interesting.
So maybe you'll enjoy that too.
Maybe.
While you're doing your finals.
Don't remind me, please.
You're going to do great in life, Rebecca.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye. What a nice person. Meeting on a path in the middle of the woods. See? And you get to share in the good experience. Just, already today, I got to tell you this, and I don't know if I'm going to put this in or cut it out or what, but I've met in this early hours of the morning here on this Wednesday. I've met a few people already, 2 or 3, that wanted to offer zero help in terms of a quick question. Am I on the right path? Am I going the right way? Is this the lighthouse? And I tell these people, yes, they could have all kinds of legitimate excuses for being rude. But then I think, sometimes I'm rude. Man, I gotta be more helpful to people. And then I get to meet other people, like the Chinese people and like Rebecca, that are just super people. They are living life. And Rebecca, if you're watching, and that great Chinese family, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you for being inspirational to this simple man, simple content creator, somebody that loves to help good small business owners and loves to inspire people and loves to travel in freedom when there's none of the nonsense going on. But we're doing all we can to build strong immune systems, and we're doing all we can to stay healthy, to help each other stay healthy. Thank you for being a part of my life adventure. So I wanted to just a couple quick things back to the subject at hand, the artillery searchlights. And you're going to find it on page 20 when you get the book. Maybe there's an online that you can buy and read through. But this, I understand, was the last kind of place for actual firing that took place. How you guys doing?
Oh, good.
And then that was in 1942. The only time a ship was hit by the battery guns was in 1942. A shell was fired, and this is no reflection on the military of the day or of today, because I'm sure they make a lot of good decisions, but it actually flew over a fishing boat that was in the area and ricocheted on the water and hit a freighter. The only time fired from this area. So that's something that's known for here on Tower Beach, which is part of Wreck Beach, which is, as you know, clothing optional. Not sure. This is the second time I've been here. You can see the other YouTube series, the Holly series, H-O-L-I, which some dear Indian friends invited me to come and celebrate with them, that color and all. It's a few YouTubes back, a few Rumbles back. And so I enjoyed coming down here and seeing people, and there were some interesting people in all manner of dress, and it is a place that should reflect freedom in every area of our life, not just clothing, which is really insignificant, but freedom of thought, and expression. Freedom to share with each other our ideas and thoughts. Freedom to take this wonderful book, a gift that was given to me, so somebody bought it. And so some money went back to the authors. And then decide to hopefully bring it a little bit to life through the simplicity of spending some time going and videoing these sites and sharing a little bit of life as life happens along the way. Okay? You want me to keep on rambling, or should we move to the next wonderful stop on their great book? Come on, let's go.
When I look in your eyes.
Mind if I take a picture?
We've come on beside me, and we'll get the cove behind us here. Come on in here. There we go.
Hello.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Johnny. Hi.
Johnny.
I'm Cassie.
And I'm Danny. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am filming. And what a beautiful, overcast, but beautiful day here in Vancouver. It's November 16th when we're starting this series, 2022. So if it's 50-52 and YouTube and Rumble are still around, I hope you're enjoying. This is the book I've been telling you about. 111 places in Vancouver that you must not miss. Danny.
Yeah.
Advisor Danny.
Take a picture?
We've come.
To come find me.